Ever wished you could take your favorite pixelated pets for a stroll, or keep them safely pinned? Mastering the art of crafting a lead in Minecraft is your ticket to ultimate animal management. To create this indispensable tool, you'll need just four simple ingredients. First, gather some string. This can be obtained by shearing sheep, breaking cobwebs found in abandoned mineshafts or strongholds, or by defeating spiders. For the second ingredient, we need slime balls. Slime balls are dropped by slime creatures, which are most commonly found in swamp biomes, especially during a full moon, or in specific chunks known as slime chunks underground. Now, let's head to your crafting table. Open up the crafting interface. Place your crafting ingredients in a specific pattern in the 3x3 crafting grid. Position 3 pieces of string across the middle row. Then, place one slime ball directly below the middle piece of string, completing the lower half of the recipe. And there you have it. On the right side of your crafting output slot, your lead will appear, ready for use. To use your lead, simply right-click on an animal you wish to attach it to. Then, you can hold onto the lead and guide your animal wherever you please, or even tie them to a fence post for safekeeping.